We move on with our next speaker. We have Kailash Chandra. And Kailash Chandra is a young student and doing a lot of firebrand work. He's going to speak about enabling rural population through financial planning.
I grew up in a farming family in Rajasthan. So there I saw the behavior of bankers generally, and if you also come from the same background, you will see they treat their customer like beggars. They decide they will give you loan or not. And generally it is like a trend. They'll say so 10% should come to us, and many times they say it very officially in banks that 10%. So you can say it's like a processing fee. They have no record of that, but they'll say it's like a processing fee. So I was completely frustrated. How I can do this and what I can do, but I had no clue. Fortunately, when I was in BHU, so I got selected for RBI Young Scholar Award. So I got chance to work at RBI Kanpur for 3 months. There I came to know that there are many things RBI as institute is doing for the customers. So I thought, okay, so I can do something, I can promote those ideas for the common mass. So I worked on the project of financial literacy. So after coming from RBI, I started conducting some small workshop in schools for the students of 10th, 11th and 12th. I was very surprised that this is not an issue of rural setting. Even in urban setting, people students don't know the difference between genuine and fake currency. They don't know what this banking Lokpal is. They don't know what this zero balance account is. So I started conducting these seminars. Till date, I have conducted more than 70 workshops in Kanpur, Banaras, Hyderabad, in my own district. So why these all cities? Because I was studying there. So in my free time, I used to go to schools and I used to conduct seminar. Second thing, I come from a farming family. So for me, the urban settings were not important, frankly. So I was there, so I used my time to go to schools and to improve my skills. But my main target was farmers. So whenever I go to in vacation to my village, what I do, so I'll go to farmers and I'll tell them, so you can take Kisan card. So they'll say, no, they won't give us, how we can take this. So I tell them, you can, so this is your right. If you have that property that in your name, it is your right to get that Kisan credit card. And if banks, they don't give you KCC, then you can complain in RBI banking or banking Lokpal. So they said, no, this does not work in that way. So then we started, so I just want to take this opportunity to thank Mr. K.C. Chakravarti, because our first complaint was against PNB branch. So fortunately, we had the fax number of K.C. Chakravarti. So we faxed him, and within 2 hours, he responded to the manager, and manager came to my home. And finally, manager was agreed to give my father bribe of 50,000 rupees to settle the case. So I think this is the power of information or power of the complaints. After that, we filed many complaints against these banks. So now if you go sometime in my village, so you say, okay, so I am from some bank or some government officer. So they'll tell you one thing, so in Hindi, मेरे पापा जी का नाम लेके कि उनसे पंगा मत लेना, बड़ा पागल आदमी है और वो सस्पेंड करवा देगा. So people have that feeling. So because in government system, so I think if we really want to change something, so I think in government system there are many good officers, many good people working at ground level. There are many people, but we need to make them accountable. So we should know. So I can promise you, because the Secretary of Banking Lokpal RBI Kanpur, he told me one thing, Kailash, I can assure you one thing. If any complaint will come to us, we will resolve that. And I can assure you, and on behalf of me, you can assure to anyone you want to interact with them. So I think at least I can say in banking system, we have that banking Lokpal. If you have any complaint, you can file there. One more thing. So if you transact to ATM and money deduct from your account and you don't receive that account. So there is a provision in by RBI. They say, okay, if your money is from your account and you did not receive that money, you should file a complaint in bank. If within 7 working days you don't receive that money, bank should deposit per day 100 rupees as a penalty. If not, then just file a complaint in banking lokpal, and they will assure you that you'll receive that money. So I'm saying, we as citizens, I think we should do something to give that information to the people. I don't think people need charity. Frankly, if you give them that where they can complain, and if you can give them some address of some accountable or responsible person where they can approach, I think they'll do their job easily. So we don't need like anything like more like dependency. Thank you.
Thank you, Kailash. That was brilliant. I think financial inclusion is the most important thing. People are not paying attention to it in this country. And because of lack of financial inclusion, there's huge anarchy which is going to be brewing in this country. That same demographic dividend which intellectuals talk about as a blessing is going to become a curse for the country, because where do we harness that energy in the positive direction? Because they won't know, there are no jobs. And people are selling their pattas of land today without knowing what to do with their money and going bankrupt in 2 to 3 years. It's happening in Gurgaon, it's happening in Noida, it's happening in Vashi in Bombay, it's happening in Whitefields in Bangalore, it's happening in the new cities around Chennai. And that's going to give rise to crime, cottage industry like kidnapping, robbery. People are not understand. This is the real social science required. I'm so happy you brought it out, Kailash Chandra, in your own plain speak and simple ideas. Any questions for Kailash, please?
सबसे बड़ी जरूरत क्या है रूरल सेक्टर में कि जब आप पढ़े लिखे हैं तो आप उनको बोलिए कि बैंक अकाउंट खोलें। गवर्नमेंट ने ऑलरेडी नेशनल इंश्योरेंस कर रखी है, और आपके यहाँ और भी टायर 2 या टायर 3 कानपुर के आसपास या जहाँ भी आप रहने वाले हैं वहाँ के गाँव के आस में अगर आपने तो खाली लोन का सोचा, लोन नहीं, इसके अलावा भी आप उनको बोलिए भाई अकाउंट खोलिए, इंश्योरेंस लीजिए, आप पढ़ाइए, आप पढ़े लिखे।
हाँ, तो एक्चुअली हुआ है कि मतलब कि टाइम थोड़ा कम था, सो आई थॉट कि मतलब जितना कम हो उतना सही रहेगा। तो मैंने कहा ना कि अभी तक मैं केवल मतलब मोर देन 70 वर्कशॉप कर चुका हूँ, वाराणसी, हैदराबाद, मेरे खुद के डिस्ट्रिक्ट में। तो जब भी मैं गांव में जाता हूँ तो मेरे पास में कुछ स्कूल्स हैं, तो जनरली आई गो टू स्कूल, लाइक आई डोंट गो टू लाइक घर पे जाने का मेरा कोई प्लान नहीं है, क्योंकि स्कूल में जाओ आराम से, एंड इफ़ यू टॉक टू लाइक मीन्स यूथ, आई थिंक यू कैन कनेक्ट विद देम इन अ बेटर वे। सो मैं वहाँ जाता हूँ और बहुत से अकाउंट खुलाए भी हैं। मैं फार्मर के लिए क्यों बोल रहा हूँ, फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग, फार्मर के लिए ये सब बड़े इशू नहीं हैं। उसे पैसा चाहिए, उसे अपनी उसे क्रॉप उगाने के लिए पैसा चाहिए, और वो पैसा लेता है 24% के इंटरेस्ट पे, 35, 40, 50 पैसा उसको चाहिए, पैसा वो लेता है। तो अगर हम उसको लोन दिलवा सकें, गवर्नमेंट भी चाहती है भाई सबको लोन मिले, तो अगर हम उसकी हेल्प कर सकते हैं तो क्यों नहीं। सेकंड बात, अगर कोई बैंक तुम्हें लोन नहीं दे रहा, तुम्हारे पास जेन्युइन कागज हैं उसके, तो हम क्या करेंगे। तो मैं बेसिकली 2 बात पे करता हूँ, पहले तुम्हें लोन मिलना चाहिए, अगर नहीं मिलेगा तो हमें क्या करना है, दैट्स ऑल। उसके बाद में आगे इफ़ यू हैव एनी इश्यू वी कैन डिस्कस विद देम, बट मेरा मेन एजेंडा फार्मर से केवल 2 का है बस, लोन मिलना चाहिए, नहीं मिले तो क्या करना चाहिए, बस।
Thank you so much. We shall have the certificate for you by Mr. Hunar Brar. Thank you, Kailash. That was very insightful.